Yo, what's up?
The one right down the road from my house.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess I don't know. That's not a good one.
That's a where at? That's like other than the shop, the very end.
This thing
There's
is
some good ones.
I like that one we went to behind where you live now, man. That was a good time.
Oh, when we got to do burnouts and shit.
Yeah,
What's that one big?
the security guard came out. Security guard was
yo, so I'm at the meet. I mean, not the meet, at the car wash as you saw. This one. Hold up. With the homies, as you can see, this shit is loud as fuck. Yo, my car about to break keeping up with these niggas, dude. Shit is fucking sick. Yeah, man. Hey, yo. Is this the homie? Follow these motherfuckers here. These dudes. Yo, I see his. Where the fuck is he? Where is he? Shit, what? Dude, you see that one lady just sitting at the stop sign? Like she had the right away?
And then the car in front of me was like,
yeah.
That's funny.
I'm like, what the hell?
I was like, what the fuck?
Hey, turn up. Yeah. Oops, my bad. Hey, I'm coming to swaggy on. Ooh, finesse. Oops, my bad. Get up, make you mad. Get up. This ain't in my bed. Whoa, you know I got right now. Hey, so I don't give a fuck about who got next. You know I got right now. Tell these bitches cut it like checks, please. Truth is the legend. Acknowledge the present. I'm God in the essence. Like y'all need a blessing. The swagger they feel but can't touch like an ego. Run to the money, just flow like an Ebro. Finesse on my moves, they can't take, that's illegal. This rap shit don't work, chop the work in no regal. I do it big. Notorious, the Diddy Baba make 'em shift. That Millie Rocker Papa make a nigga live. And fuck the world, they tryna tell me how to live. I'm feeling entitled, work hard, I deserve it. If life was an ocean, a nigga be surfing. Excuse me, as I come through, just serving my purpose. Oops, my bad. Ay, I'm coming to swaggy on. Ooh, finesse. Oops, my bad. Did I make you mad? Yeah. This ain't in my bed. Well, you know I got right now. Ay, so I don't give a fuck about who got next. Yeah. You know I got right now. Tell these bitches cut it like checks, please. Coming through swaggy on. I'm feeling myself, and you feeling me too, nigga. Let's be honest. Ooh, they so mad at me, it's so flattering. I stay charged up like some batteries. They don't wanna see a nigga come up. Told them picture that like a gallery. Whoa. Underdog coming for the top spot. Low key, they know a nigga top notch. I be switching up my gears, never switching up my lane. With my feet up on the gas, I will not stop. And you know they know the name, damn watch. Came out, I been popping like a pop top. My accent is louder than words, but these bitches acting absurd. They acting absurd, I can't take them serious. I been at this for years, I can tell them from the look of my workload. This is really my year, I've been more than sincere, with so much to prove to them. Try to walk in my shoes, I get new ones. Got no time for these hoes, they a nuisance. I'ma stay flexing on them like oops, my bad. Ay, I'm coming to swaggy on. Finesse, oops, my bad. Did I make you mad? This ain't in my bed. Well, you know I got right now. Ay, so I don't give a fuck about who got next.
nigga, I'm PIRU. 700, 800, Glenway, no way, blood. Act right, blood. Let these niggas know, blood. We par up, blood. We par up.
They let me off the motherfucking leash, man. Like Mac with a dope full rest of peace. You better pay me if you owe me, I ain't taking no loss. My mind fucked up, seeing Mac in that coffin, that shit crazy, huh? I can't be lazy now, ain't no idle time, I can go to Alibi. And I was with them killers from the south, it was round the time I done got turned out. Act right, burnt out, fucking nigga talking about knock him out, he run his mouth. Back up on my bullshit like Mac up in the summer. Get a white bitch, I'ma use her as a runner. Catch another body since you claiming you a gunner. That tip don't count, man, them niggas have to force you. Bitch still choosing, little niggas, she don't want you. Rolly got the bitch blind, nigga, this the 5th time. I done hit the corner and I seen another rich sign. Gotta get my own spot, treat it like a dope spot. Baby girl, this dope dick, tryna get in your twat. Fuck we even talking about, bend it over now. Ain't nobody looking, baby girl, we in the sky. Beat it down in the cut, girl, you bad like luck. Always screaming fuck, all the homies I don't trust. Rolling up the Molly, got me feeling on the fuck. Oops, I'm in strolling, boy, you know I'm really into this shit. I'm on that Rogers Park, fuck if you feeling me shit. I'm on that real talk, nigga, are you kidding me shit? I'm on them guns fork when you get to stealing this shit. We don't tolerate thieves and our business and shit. We don't tolerate a witness at all. These niggas throwing fits when I don't answer they calls. I done came across a gang of niggas, I ain't niggas back. I done came across a gang, I'm over never ever back. No way, I'm my fault, nigga. You know way. I done came across a gang, I hope they never have my back. I done came across a gang of niggas that ain't have my back. I done came across all you niggas fake and they phony and they niggas fake and they phony and they niggas fake and they phony and they just seen myself, you niggas I swear I seen this in my life, you know we do, nigga, I don't bail out right now, you know what I'm talking about? Nigga, we going up, nigga, I don't bail, nigga, summer 17, nigga, you know what I'm talking about?
Showing, so we make her call him Jose. Tryna steal my sauce, but he a fraud, ain't with that role play. Hey, had a hit on like them folk. Hey, never stop moving like I'm water. Wet just like some water. Your daughter, she like how I go harder. Smoking Skywalker, that Luke I ain't free to the free, cause the plug know how to barter. Cross me, I could put you down. Martyr, I'ma drag us out the drought. Carter, you Peter like you Griffin, bitch, I'm Peter like I'm Parker. The new season got you sitting, this whole season I'm a starter. I'm always moving, boy, in water, yeah. Ay. Always lose, you need your harder, yeah. Ay. Always moving like I'm water, yeah. Ay. Sipping goose like it's my water, yeah. Always moving like I'm water. Ay. Always moving like I'm water, ay. I know them sharks lurking when it's dark. Yeah, you don't wanna touch that water. High, I'm sky high, fly. I might buy like 5 times my desire price. Might be out of mind. I'ma cross soon as you draw the line. Your girl sort of mine. In her mind, she thinks it all the time. I only met her once, but since then you say she been hard to find. I don't want no wine, want a dime, 10 cents on the fine. My name on the line when I sign. Had to check the check. Anytime I sign's the only time you see me next to X. I be fresh to death. Tombstone gon' say the freshest yes. Work that check to check. Mona Lisa on the action sketches. Levels and I level up. More flows than etc. Spit it and you listen, leave you spinning your propellers up. Gentleman like Kettle One, Kettle One. Always moving like I'm water and I'm never done.
Fill your glass up and get a taste of success, boy. Breathe the air with success, girl. Everybody talk about money. I just kitty. Everybody talk about money. I just kitty. Glass up and get a taste of success, boy. Breathe the air. glass up and get a taste of success, boy. Breathe the air of success, girl. Everybody talk about money. I just get it. Everybody talk about money. I just get it. Glass up and get a taste of success, boy. Breathe the air of success, girl. Everybody talk about money. I just get it. Everybody talk about money. I just get it. Ask me what I'm sipping on, I call that success. My pockets stay fat like a bitch with no neck. Yeah, I'm a bad bitch, so I keep a bad bitch. Coop like girls gone wild. Topless. Think you on my level, better add up commission. Only thing touching my ass is a towel, that's a tissue. I'm living in that Kodak. You can only picture this. See the snap of the wrist, I'm born like a fist. See the glass up and get a taste of success, boy. Breathe the air of success, girl. Everybody talk about money. I just get it. Everybody talk about money. I just get it. Glass up and get a taste of success, boy. Breathe the air of success, girl. Everybody talk about money. I just get it. Everybody talk about money. I just get it. Check. How I do this here effortless. Preach that money like a reverend. Whoever said women ain't pimpin', they lie. I keep the pussy clean cause I can neck like bow ties. Mean buzz, I'm used to it. Get that off. Sick with the issue, can hit a swag outfit. Coffee, my diamonds keep me cool. Grocery shopping is the only time you ever see the jewel. Fill your glass up and get a taste of success, boy. Breathe the air of success, girl. Everybody talk about money. I just get it. Everybody talk about money. I just get it. Glass up and get a taste of success, boy. Breathe the air of success, girl. Everybody talk about money. I just get it. Everybody talk about money. I just get it. Everybody talk about money. I just get it. Everybody talk about money. I just get it.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.